Natural home remedies for cough relieve discomfort naturally. Coughing can be irritating and disrupt daily activities. Discover effective and safe home remedies for cough. Coughing clears the airways. It can be dry or productive, caused by viral infections, allergies, or smoking. Honey soothes irritation. Consume it directly or mix with warm water or herbal tea. Inhaling steam eases cough symptoms and clears congestion. Add essential oils for enhanced relief. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. Make ginger tea with honey and lemon for additional benefits. Turmeric contains healing properties. Mix turmeric powder with warm milk for a soothing drink. Gargling salt water reduces sore throats and cough. Dissolve salt in warm water and gargle. Essential oils that have decongestant and soothing properties are eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender. Use in a diffuser or inhale. Marshmallow root tea relieves dry coughs and sore throats. Steep and enjoy a warm cup. Licorice root helps loosen mucus and ease cough symptoms. Consult a doctor before regular use. Peppermint's menthol cools the throat and alleviates cough. Sip on tea or use in a diffuser. Eucalyptus oil relieves respiratory congestion. Inhale steam by adding oil to hot water. Elevate your head while sleeping to reduce nighttime coughing. Use an extra pillow or elevate your bed. Stay hydrated to thin mucus. For respiratory health, drink water, herbal teas, warm fluids. Include vitamin C-rich foods in your diet to support your body's defense against cough and cold. Proper rest is crucial for healing. Get enough sleep and reduce stress levels. Find relief and support your body's healing process with these natural home remedies for cough.